live mama. She's got one on.
Okay. So, it's official. I've closed on our house today. Yes, you heard me correct. I closed on a house today. Now I just gotta wait for the closing process, which will take about 3 weeks. And then we were going to start shimmying everything out of this fucking shithole.
More live mama. More live mama.
It is a 4-bedroom, 1 bath. We got plenty of room. Johnny's gonna have a content room. We're gonna have a spare bedroom. My mom will have a room.